Hello and welcome to our video on 20 tips on how to make money in 2023. If you're looking for ways to boost your income and secure your financial future, then you're in the right place. Please remember to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make money. Make sure to stay until the end to hear an exciting bonus fact. Without further ado, let's get started. Tip number 1, start a side hustle. One way to make extra money is by starting a side hustle. This could be anything from freelance work, to selling products online, to offering services like dog walking or house cleaning. Consider using your skills and interests to come up with a unique idea that you can turn into a profitable business. Tip number 2, invest in the stock market. Another way to make money is by investing in the stock market. While there are risks involved, with the right strategy and a long-term outlook, you can potentially earn a significant return on your investment. It's important to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before diving into the stock market. Tip number 3, rent out a room on Airbnb. If you have an extra room in your home, consider listing it on Airbnb as a way to make extra money. This can be a great option for people who live in popular tourist destinations or have a unique property that people might be interested in renting. Tip number 4, sell items on eBay or other online marketplaces. If you have items that you no longer need or use, consider selling them on eBay or other online marketplaces. This is a quick and easy way to declutter your home and make some extra cash at the same time. Tip number 5, start a YouTube channel. Another way to make money is by starting a YouTube channel. If you have a passion for a particular topic and are able to create engaging content, you can potentially earn money through ads and sponsorships. It's important to be consistent and produce high-quality content in order to grow your channel and attract a loyal following. Tip number 6, offer freelance services. Freelancing is a great way to make extra money on the side. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or have another skill that you can offer to clients, there are plenty of opportunities to find work as a freelancer. You can use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find freelance gigs and build your portfolio. Tip number 7, start a blog or podcast. If you have a passion for writing or have an interesting perspective on a particular topic, consider starting a blog or podcast. This can be a great way to share your thoughts and ideas with others, while also potentially earning money through ads, sponsorships, and other monetization strategies. Tip number 8, rent out your car on Turo. If you have a car that you don't use all the time, consider renting it out on Turo. This platform allows you to earn money by letting other people use your car when you're not using it. It's a convenient way to make extra cash while also helping others in need of a car. Tip number 9, offer tutoring or teaching services. If you have expertise in a particular subject, consider offering tutoring or teaching services as a way to make extra money. You can offer one-on-one or group sessions either in person or online. This can be a great way to share your knowledge and skills with others while also earning an income. Tip number 10, sell products on Etsy or other online stores. If you have a creative streak and enjoy making handmade items, consider selling your products on Etsy or other online stores. This is a great way to turn your hobby into a business and potentially earn a significant income. You can sell everything from clothing and accessories, to home decor and gifts, to art and crafts. Tip number 11, buy and sell domain names. Another way to make money is by buying and selling domain names. This involves purchasing a domain name that you think has value, and then reselling it to someone else who is interested in using it for their own website or business. It's important to do your research and choose domain names that have potential value in order to maximize your profits. Tip number 12, rent out your equipment. If you have equipment that you don't use all the time, such as a camera or musical instrument, consider renting it out to others. This can be a great way to make extra money while also helping others who may not have access to certain equipment. Tip number 13, sell your photos online. If you have a talent for photography, consider selling your photos online. There are a number of websites that allow you to upload and sell your photos to a wide audience, such as Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. This is a great way to monetize your hobby and potentially earn a passive income. Tip number 14, offer pet sitting or dog walking services. If you love animals and have some free time on your hands, consider offering pet sitting or dog walking services as a way to make extra money. This can be a great option for people who travel frequently or need someone to take care of their pets while they're at work. Tip number 15, sell your skills on TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a platform that allows you to sell your skills and services to others in your area. Whether you're a handyman, cleaner, or have another skill that you can offer, you can use TaskRabbit to find gigs and earn extra money. Tip number 16, rent out your parking spot. If you have a parking spot that you don't use all the time, consider renting it out to others. This can be a great way to make extra money, especially if you live in a city where parking is scarce. You can use websites like Spot Hero or Just Park to list your spot and find renters. Tip number 17, sell your stuff on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a platform that allows you to sell your stuff to others in your local area. This is a quick and easy way to declutter your home and make some extra cash. You can sell everything from clothing and accessories to furniture and home decor. Tip number 18, start a social media marketing agency. If you have experience in social media marketing and a strong understanding of how to create and implement successful campaigns, consider starting your own social media marketing agency. This can be a lucrative business, especially as more and more businesses turn to social media to reach their customers. Tip number 19, offer lawn care or landscaping services. If you have a green thumb and enjoy working outside, consider offering lawn care or landscaping services as a way to make extra money. This can be a great option for people who have a passion for gardening and enjoy working with their hands. Tip number 20, sell your products at local markets or events. Another way to make money is by selling your products at local markets or events. This can be a great way to get your products in front of a wider audience and potentially earn a significant income. Just make sure to do your research and choose the right events and markets to participate in. There you have it, 20 tips on how to make money in 2023. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle, invest in the stock market, or sell your skills and products, there are plenty of opportunities to earn extra cash and secure your financial future. Just remember to be consistent, put in the work, and stay open to new opportunities. Bonus fact: did you know that the gig economy, which includes freelance work, side hustles, and temporary contract jobs, is expected to grow significantly in the coming years? According to a report by the McKinsey Global Institute, by 2027, gig work could make up as much as 30% of the total working population in the United States. This trend is driven by the increasing demand for flexible work arrangements and the growing availability of online platforms that connect workers with potential clients. Thanks for watching our video on 20 tips on how to make money in 2023. We hope you found these tips helpful and are inspired to take action and start earning extra cash. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make money.